Same women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know, you will know. Who you got to dream? You got to dream. Follow your dreams. Follow your dreams.
That was so beautiful. Wow. Some magic. Sometimes this looper, it leads. Like, I kind of have a plan, it decides. Like that dream thing, I didn't plan. All right, coming into our beautiful affirmations for our heart chakra. Compassion flows through me, starting with myself.
Passion flows through me, starting with myself.
My heart is a safe, expansive place for me to love.
My heart is a safe, expansive place for me to love.
I am full of pure love.
I am full of pure love.
Alright, coming into our throat chakra. I find that this chakra is either the most open chakra or the most closed chakra for people. It's like so our throat chakra is our self-expression, our self-truth. And the thing we're gonna learn with our throat chakra is EFT tapping. So my favorite stuff to do emotional freedom technique tapping, which is quite literally what it's doing. It's giving you an emotional release for when you have the overthinking thoughts. So, for instance, let's say you want to open your own ice cream shop one day and you're like, oh, I can do it. But then every so often you get these little thoughts and they're like, can you do it? Do you have the money? Do you even know where you want to put that ice cream shop? There's tons of other ice cream shops. Like, why would you even try? There's so much competition. And then you start spiraling and you're like, oh my God, I can't turn this off. With EFT tapping, when those thoughts arise, you simply override it like a computer system. And you go, I own my own ice cream shop. Everyone loves my ice cream. And you just start doing that. It sounds so simple, but it freaking works. For EFT tapping, there are a bunch of different little spots around your body, like meridian centers. I usually only just do my chest because it's the quickest. Because if you're, in the shower and it pops up, you can't do this whole thing, You could if you wanted. But the first one you do is with your head on top of your head. You guys want to copy me? So this is the one I saw online. I was like, why are they petting themselves? But it feels kind of nice. Maybe as we're doing this, think of something that you want to manifest, or just an affirmation for yourself that you would like to embody. And then the next one is in the middle of our foreheads. You can use your fingers or even like the back of your knuckle. And then right in the beginnings of our eyebrow. And underneath our eyes and our cheekbone area. And then on our chin, and then on our collarbone. And this is where I say chest. I do my chest too because I like the reverb. And last but not least, underneath our armpits, lymphatic area. Oh, this is the whole spiel. I know, it's kind of silly. Or maybe you don't want to touch your armpit, I feel you. But my go-to is this one, because it's easy, it's right there, and I feel like I'm like my own little human drum when I do it. So I chose this for our throat chakra because sometimes we get really caught up in our heads and we can't even say the thing we really want to, or believe in our self-truth. And that's crazy because we're really powerful beings, all of us. We have so much innate power. It's just that the chatter of the world gets so loud and then we can't hear ourselves on the inside. This technique, it really, really helps me. So I want to share with other people too. Just override. Nope. I'm awesome. I'm doing all the things I want to do. My dreams are reality, So let's flow into our next song. Oh, sorry, I forgot one. This one was new to me. I was looking it up. It's called the karate chop too. This is actually pretty cool. So the fatty part between our thumb or by our pinkies. Karate chop. I kind of like the karate chop. Chop. Bad thoughts, go away. All right. So of course, with our throat chakra, I'm going to encourage you guys to sing along with me, or hum, or bop around, whichever you're feeling. This is a song that usually everyone knows. It's the happiest song I think I know. It's really cool. unexpected. Whoa! You brought your own stuff too. It's pretty sick. Thank you very much. Getting out of our throat chakra. We're going to say a few affirmations for this. I express my truth with care, grace, and confidence.
I express my truth with care, grace, and confidence.
My voice matters.
My voice matters.
My words carry healing.
My words carry healing.
I communicate clearly. Obviously I can't.
Clearly.
My throat chakra's like, girl, you need some work. Alright, getting into our third eye chakra. So this one is our intuition center. And for this one, I have made some really cool binaural frequencies that I taught myself how to make. So what you're going to hear is the theta state or theta wave. And what theta does is right before you go to sleep, your brain switches into this mode. And it's kind of like when you wake up and you're like really groggy, like, that's theta. Theta is really cool because that's when your mind shifts from conscious to subconscious. And subconscious, that's like dreamland, you know, and that's why subliminals, which I started making too, when you listen to them while you're going to sleep, they're really nice because they start telling your brain all these beautiful things, and you don't have the conscious mind popping up going, no, no, like I am wealthy, but your conscious mind's like, well, where's the money? Where is it? When you're going to sleep, you don't have that mind, that little voice in your ear. So theta is a super potent time that you can really reprogram, really manifest, and whatever you're trying to get to, you can really visualize. I also made some rain noise. So that what you're hearing right there are two different frequencies at the same time, with just a few hertz per second, minute off. And that's what's creating that theta state. Hertz, as we remember maybe in high school science, is the frequency of a sound or a wave going, how fast it's going. So that's really it. That's like, you know, a human is a bunch of molecules, particles vibrating. Same thing, that's why it protrudes into our brain. Just letting these binaural frequencies start to float around. And if you want to know more about this kind of stuff, talk to me after.
What's meant for you will find you. 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 Oh, will find you. Will find you. Oh,